Thinkladder is a self-awareness app designed to help you grow into the best version of you. Here's how you can get the most out of it. Let's start with the core Thinkladder experience, the Insight Finder. Thinkladder's content spans over 50 unique topics, and we now have over 300,000 unique pathways within the app. Take some time to explore the themes available. If there's something specific you'd like to work on, you can use the search feature to track it down. Once you've selected a theme, you'll be provided with a list of symptoms to select from. Symptoms can be problems, issues, or emotions that you're finding difficult or unwanted. Take some time to explore the symptoms and choose one that matches how you're feeling. Based on your selection, Thinkladder will come up with a few different limiting beliefs that may possibly be fueling the symptom you're experiencing. Limiting beliefs are ideas that feel true but aren't actually helping us. Don't overthink your decision too much, as long as it feels real to you. Thinkladder will then provide you with personalized insights, uplifting affirmations to help you overcome the limiting belief. Insights are ideas for how you want to think in the future, even if they don't reflect your current reality. When selecting insights, choose ones that make you feel uplifted and empowered. When it comes to reinforcing the work you've done in the Insight Finder, repetition is key. You can use our reminders feature to empower your future self with the insights you've saved. Reminders can also be used for journaling, gratitude, and audio practices. The journal feature supplies you with unique prompts that help you explore your insight or challenge a limiting belief. Practicing gratitude releases the feel-good neurotransmitters, dopamine and serotonin. This improves attention, enthusiasm, energy, determination, and sleep quality, while also reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. Audio practices allow you to train your mind and body to respond together in calm and positive ways. It's a great opportunity to sit back, relax, and regulate your nervous system. One of my favourites is the Aotearoa bird song. Back on the homepage, you'll find a few ways to continue exploring if you want to carry on from where you left off, or try out some of Thinkladder's additional features. To get the most out of Thinkladder, we recommend setting regular times to check in with yourself and reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Remember, you're in control of your life, and you have more power than you think over your thoughts, feelings, and behaviour.